A very good morning, guys, and welcome to another video. First of all, my apologies for not uploading yesterday. Was a little bit late, or at least I went to sleep very late, so I was not able to wake up early enough to record a video, so my apologies for that. But we've got a lot of catching up to do, so let's dive into today's video and see where the market is going to be heading next. Starting off with the dollar index retraced exactly in towards that area of supply which I mentioned. After that, we saw a dump in towards the downside. So then what I did was I went in towards the 15-minute and I was looking, okay, where can we spot potential trades? So what we ultimately saw was, for instance, break of this low caused a push up. Then we see the push down, pull back in towards this imbalance over here, and from there we initiated a further dump down once again. So I was continuously looking for further downside on the dollar index, and therefore longs on gold, for instance. But as we can see over here on the dollar index, I'm still waiting for further downside, so expecting further downside from this index, waiting for it to push at least in towards this area over here and take out this liquidation low. So yeah, that's a dollar index. Then we have Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar was waiting for a push just slightly higher. Ultimately, we can see that we dumped in towards downside from the 50% mark of the overall swing range. So yeah, overall bias was correct. Now ultimately we've seen a lower low be formed, break of structure over here, meaning that this is now your swing high, this is now your swing low. So what do we expect after break of structure? We expect a pullback. So now potentially wait for a pullback in towards this buy before the sell, and then look for a short. I'm not saying that it's going to reverse from here, but if it does reverse, look for shorts from that area of supply. Euro dollar is rising from, or rose from, this area of sell before the buy. Would still like to see this low get taken out. For the rest, there's not much on euro dollar. All I can say is that the daily is still bullish though. 4 hour is bullish as well. And yeah, overall, yeah, the buy is played out. You could have taken some pretty nice longs, but for now, what I'm expecting is, like, we have got this swing high over here, and you've got this swing low over here. So below this swing low there's liquidity, and above this swing high is liquidity. So I expect us to take out one of either highs or lows and then see a reversal in the other direction. So yeah, that's euro dollar. Then pound dollar. So yeah, pound dollar did exactly as anticipated. We took out this low over here. As you can clearly see, liquidated the low, straight away a reversal. So yeah, initial reaction to this area of demand gave us some form of push, but not like the real continuation, and then comes back down, takes a liquidation, and then we see another push. So yeah, easy trade over there if you were to set an order on this liquidation low. Now expecting for the upside from pound dollar, hopefully taking out this liquidity high in towards this overall area of higher time frame supply. Then Kiwi dollar, nothing interesting in my personal opinion. As we can clearly see, supply did its thing and pushed price down lower. Looking at the daily is still bearish, so still want to see further downside from this pair. Yeah, I think, oh yeah, by the way, we had a break of structure over here, meaning that this is your swing high, this is your swing low. Could move up one more time to move up higher, but yeah, it looks good for a further sell-off with the overall trend. We have gold. Was looking for longs on gold yesterday. Took a loss on gold due to that. Waiting for gold to hit these areas of supply. Had this area of demand. We saw a lower time frame reaction and trend switch, so therefore looking for further upside. Sadly hit my stop loss, but it is what it is. We'll recoup those losses today. So yeah, that's it for today. That's pretty much it. Looking at Aussie New Zealand, called this beauty in the community as well. We'll be looking for further trades today. So yeah, keep you guys posted. Thanks very much, and speak very soon.